In today's video, I am going to teach you how to recover a deleted Google Sheet, recover deleted Google Spreadsheet, Google Sheets trash. If you accidentally deleted a Google Sheet, do not worry. In most cases, it is not gone forever right away. When you delete a spreadsheet, Google usually moves it to the trash in Google Drive, where it stays for a period of time before it is permanently removed. As long as it is still in the trash, you can restore it in just a few clicks. To begin, go to Google Sheets in your web browser. Make sure you are signed into the same Google account that owned the spreadsheet or had access to it. Once the Google Sheets homepage loads, look near the top of the page for the main menu icon, sometimes shown as 3 horizontal lines. Click there to open the navigation panel. Next, click again in the same menu area to fully expand the panel so you can see more options. This panel helps you move between Sheets and other Google services. You are going to use it to get to Google Drive, because that is where deleted spreadsheets are stored. Now, switch over to Google Drive. You can do this from the menu or by going directly to Google Drive in the same browser. In Drive, look on the left side for the folder list. Find and click Trash. This opens a list of files that have been deleted recently, including Google Sheets, Docs, Slides, and other items. In the Trash view, locate the deleted Google Sheet you want to recover. You can scroll through the list and look for the file name. If you have many deleted files, take your time and verify you select the correct spreadsheet. Click the file to highlight it. Once it is selected, the Restore option becomes available. With the file highlighted, click Restore. After you restore it, the spreadsheet will be moved out of trash and returned to its original location in Google Drive if that folder still exists. If it does not, it may return to your main Drive area. As a quick tip, after restoring, you can use the search bar in Google Drive to find the file faster by typing part of the spreadsheet name. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.